In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. Whether you're merging your email accounts to streamline communications or simply want to manage everything from one place, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you are unsure where to find it, a quick search for Yahoo Mail login in your preferred web browser will lead you directly there. Once you're at the sign-in page, locate the username field. Here, you'll want to enter your Yahoo Mail username, which is the unique identifier you set up at the time you created your Yahoo account. After entering your username, proceed by clicking on the Next button. This action will guide you to the password page. It's crucial that you enter your Yahoo Mail password accurately, paying close attention to case sensitivity, as well as any numbers and symbols included. Once you type in your password, click Next again to enter your Yahoo Mail inbox. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the upper right of the screen where you'll spot a gear icon. This represents the settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll need to click on More Settings to dive deeper into the configuration options available. Once you find yourself in the More Settings menu, look on the left-hand side of your screen for the option labeled Mailboxes. This section is key, as it allows you to manage various mailbox settings, including the thrilling addition of new ones. Within the Mailboxes interface, find and click on Add Mailbox. This action will prompt you to select your email provider. Look through the list of email providers, and when you spot Gmail, select it. After making this choice, you'll see a request to input the Gmail address you wish to integrate. Carefully enter your Gmail address in the designated field and click on Next. A pop-up window will then appear. This pop-up is crucial in linking your Gmail account securely to Yahoo. Follow the prompts as they will guide you through the authentication process, ensuring that Yahoo has the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. During this stage, be prepared to log into your Gmail account to grant these permissions, so having your credentials handy will be beneficial. This extra step ensures everything is securely connected. Once your accounts are linked, there's an optional step where you can enter a name and description for this integration. This can be exceptionally helpful in identifying the account easily in the future. After you've completed all these steps and you're content with the setup, click Done to finalize the process. Congratulations! By following these straightforward instructions, you've successfully added your Gmail account to Yahoo Mail, simplifying the way you manage your emails by keeping them all in one place. Thank you for watching and enjoy your streamlined email experience.